Let's discuss today's topic. Describe a long term goal you would like to achieve. You should say what the goal is, how long have you had this goal, how you would achieve it, and explain why you set this goal. Or describe a goal you want to achieve in the future, or describe an ambition that you have had for a long time. What the goal is, what would you do to achieve it, when will you achieve, explain why you want to achieve it. So, both these topics can be explained. Let's start. Setting goals is very important in life. Goals give a direction to life. If we don't have a goal, we don't have anything to work for. I set up short time goals for myself, such as doing well in the exams and working hard to achieve these goals. But my ultimate long term goal is to give a comfortable life to my family. I have seen my family struggle for finances at times, and so I want them to lead an easy life. I've just completed my senior secondary graduation here, and I plan to go abroad for my higher education. So I understand that I have long way to go before I can achieve my goal. First, I will complete my higher education in Canada and then hopefully get a good job and start earning well. I have seen my relatives who are in Canada lead a very lavish lifestyle. My parents now look upon me to give them such a life. They have saved some money to send me to Canada. I know that I'll have to work part time to cover my overhead expenses. I don't want to put any more burden on my parents. I hope I'm able to achieve my goal one day. I also want to be a productive member of society. I believe that if God has given us more than others, we should share something with the poor. I would be very happy if I'm able to achieve all that. Let's move on to the next part, and that is follow up questions. Question number one: what goal should our society have? You can say, a society should have goals that focus on the well being and progress of its members. These may include to ensure access to education, healthcare, and employment opportunities, promoting equality, and fostering a safe and supportive community. Goals should aim to create a society where people can live fulfilling lives with dignity and mutual respect. Question number two: do people need to have goals? Yes, people need to have goals as they provide direction, motivation, and a sense of purpose. Goals help individuals plan for the future, make positive choices, and overcome challenges. They act as a roadmap, guiding people toward personal and collective achievements. What goals do people at your age have? People at my age often have goals related to education, career development, building relationships, and personal growth. These goals may include completing a specific level of education, securing a job, and developing skills that contribute to a fulfilling and meaningful life. Question number four: is it necessary to give advice to children? You can say, yes, it is necessary to give advice to children as it helps guide them in making informed decisions, developing good habits, and understanding the values that contribute to positive behavior. Advice from parents, teachers, and mentors plays a crucial role in a child's upbringing, providing them with insights and knowledge for navigating life. Question number five: what goals do young people usually have? Young people usually have goals such as completing their education, pursuing career, establishing financial stability, and building meaningful relationships. These goals contribute to their personal development and future success. Question number six: what should people do to achieve their goals? To achieve their goals, people should set clear objectives, create a plan of action, and stay motivated. It's important to break larger goals into smaller, manageable steps, seek support from others, and remain adaptable to changes. Persistence, hard work, and learning from setbacks are key factors in achieving long term goals. Additionally, maintaining a positive mindset and staying focused on the desired outcome can contribute to successful goal attainment. Question number 7. Should parents set goals for children? Parents are the best people. Go set goal for children. They can help their children in setting goals. They know the temperament of their children, so it is all right if they set goals for them, but at the same time, they should keep in mind aptitude of the child to set realistic goals for him. This is the end of cue card.